Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a timer in your Google form. So if you're a teacher and you want to make some quiz in your Google form and you want to add a certain time limit into your Google form, I can show you how. So open your Google form first and then click on the three dots icon at the top toolbar, and then you'll find the add-ons option. Click on it. Okay, and here you'll find the add-ons from Google Workspace Marketplace, and you'll find the timer in here. This one, you can use this one or you can use this one. This is also the timer, and I'm going to use this, and you can just choose any one of them that you think fits you the most. I'm going to use this, and then what you need to do is install it. Click on continue. Okay, so just wait until the installation finished. Click on next and click done. Okay, so let's go back to your Google form, and here you'll find the add-ons option. You can just click on this and you'll find the extended forms that I've installed before. Timer for Google's Windows. Okay, let's just restart it. Okay, you'll find this and you can use it to you can just click on this and click on configure. Okay, you'll find at the right side, just can click on the little circle here, and here you can set the time limit in your Google form. For example, the test will be time 60 minutes, and when you're done, you just can click on share here. So when you share it, you need to share it from the extended forms to send Google form with the timer. Please remember that you need to send from this, not this one. Okay, so that is how you can add timer into your Google form. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.